So in this video, I want to show you how to create foreign bank accounts using Geegpay. So I'll show you how to create the accounts, how to verify your accounts, how to request for bank accounts in USD, Euro, Pounds, how to create a virtual dollar card, how to convert your Naira to dollar, and how to withdraw to bank. So this video is a complete video about how to use the Geegpay platform. So if you're looking for a USA bank account or an address in the USA, this website called Geegpay is going to help you achieve that. And this website is basically for Africans or Nigerians who are looking to receive money in foreign currencies like dollar, euro, pounds, and all of that. So the first thing you need to do is come to your browser and search for Geegpay.Africa. You equally have a mobile app that you can download, so you can go to Play Store or the Apple Store and install this app. All right, I'm just going to use the website so that it will be easy for us. So I'm going to click on this website, which is Geegpay.Africa. And this is the interface you are going to get. As you can see, it says it's global banking for Africa's professional. So you can set up a USD account, a pounds account, euro account. So you can accept payment from around the world. Plus you can enjoy a convenience of USD virtual debit card. So they equally give you a virtual debit card that you can use to purchase things online. So you can see every other thing that they promise you, like fast payout, blah blah blah, and all of that. So this is convenient this is majorly for freelancers, for creators. So let's say you do Amazon and you want to receive money from Amazon or any other website, you can use these account numbers to receive it. If you are a freelancer, you do gigs on Fiverr, Upwork, freelancers, and a whole lot of all these gig platforms, you can equally use this to receive it. If you want to receive money from Payoneer, you can use this, PayPal, you can use this, and all of that. So once you come here, you want to click on create account. Before then, you can see how it works. You create an account, you verify your account, and then you can create your USD account and then your debit dollar account. So it's loved by freelancers, creators, blah blah blah. So you see again Upwork, Candela, Fiverr, Amazon KDP. You can use it to generate invoice, bills, and all of that good stuff. So let's go to the main thing, which is to create an account. So you come here, you click on create an account. So I already have an account, but I'm just going to make this. So basically you are going to choose that you are a freelancer, because most of us, we are going to be freelancers who don't have registered company. So you come here, select your country of residence. So you can see they are in Ghana, Egypt, Kenya, Nigeria, Rwanda, South Africa, Tanzania, and Uganda. So you want to select your country. Since I'm from Nigeria, I'm going to select Nigeria. And then I come here, I click on continue. I need to put an email address right here. So I'm going to put an email address. So after your email address, you can add a referral code if you have any. You can use mine. I'll put it in the description of this video. So you come here, you click on continue, and then they are going to send a code to the email that you've provided. So I'm just going to put this code and then we can proceed. So after the code, you need to put your phone number so that they can verify your phone number. So after you include your phone number, they should send you an OTP to verify this phone number. So you want to put this OTP in this box and then you verify it. So I'm just going to wait for the OTP to come and we can proceed. So alternatively, you can receive this code by WhatsApp and they will send this code to your WhatsApp account. So in case you do not receive this code by SMS, you can say receive by WhatsApp and then they should send it to your WhatsApp. So sometimes the WhatsApp is much faster. So I've received the code on WhatsApp, so I'm going to enter the code right here. So as you can see, we are now in. So I'm just going to select a password here. So you fix a password and make sure to follow this password guideline here. All right, so make sure that your password is at least 10 characters. It has one uppercase, one lowercase, one number, and one symbol. So this is an instance. Once you are done, you click on continue. You can save the password if you wanted, but I don't want to do that. So now it says to help government blah blah blah, you need to provide a proof of address and the government ID. So you need to have either a statement of account, and you have to equally have a valid government ID. So you click on start onboarding and you will be brought to the dashboard. So this is the dashboard. You've created your account, but you need to verify it before you can start transacting with it. So this is how you create a Geegpay account. So I'm going to try to verify this so that you see how we can verify our Geegpay account. So it's after verification that we can now create our USD account. Now you need to properly verify your account before you can create a USD account or to create a virtual card. So if you look here, you can see that we cannot do anything here. So it says please complete your application. So you want to come here, they say what do you want to use Geegpay for, or Geegpay. I prefer to call it Geegpay. All right, so you can pronounce it as you want. So you select on that, and then you want to say you want to get salary early, receive funds from marketplace, create USD card for spending, receive funds as creator, and all of that. So this does not really affect what you can do with it. So you can just say create card for this, and let's see what is going to happen here. So it's going to ask for your name. So this is where you put your name. You need to put your correct information because you would need to submit an ID and stuff like that. So I'm going to fill in my name here. So remember, I already have an account, so I don't know if they are going to accept this, but I'm just trying for the purpose of this video. So if this video helps you, please like the video and subscribe. So here you want to select your date of birth. So I'm going to use I'm going to select a date of birth right here. So let's say 31st December. So you want to select your occupation. So I'm just going to say a content writer, blah blah blah. So let's say I'm a content creator. So I'm just going to say maybe YouTube, if I can find anything like that. So if you can't find what's in line with what you do, you can just select order. All right, so I'm going to look for, let me just say online, blah, 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 online teacher and tutor. So you click on next, and then you want to put your city and your address. So I'm just going to put an address right here. So this is not really my correct address, but I'm just going to use it for the purpose of this video. So you put your correct address, and then it says proof of address. Now this proof of address is where people are going to have some kind of issues, but this is what you should do. To get a proof of address in Nigeria, you just need a utility bill. For instance, electricity bill. So you can just, if you have a prepaid meter, or you have any friend who has a prepaid meter, you can just buy electricity through OPay and get a receipt. All right, this is usually how I do it. All right, if you don't want to do it this way, you can go to the bank, get a statement of account. It's going to cover your address. It's just to prove that you are a real human being. So if you have it, you come here, you want to select it, and you want to select the document type. So you can say utility bill here or bank statement. So I'm going to say utility bill, and this is where you choose the file. So this file can be in JPEG and PNG or PDF. So after that, you click on continue. So I have now switched to using my mobile phone, and I have installed the app. So if you have any issues with the website, just go to your Google Play Store and search for this app here, Geegpay. You can use it to register from scratch, or you can just log in if you're already registered on the website. So I'm going to continue with this, and this is how the interface is going to look like. But now you can see that we have euro, dollar, blah blah blah. This is our euro account and all of that, but we are not yet done with our verification. So I'm just going to show you how to submit the verification and you can proceed. So after that, we'll come back to what we can do with this app. So you come here, you click on verify account, and you come say start verification. I'm just doing this on mobile because the desktop version was not allowing me to upload some things. So I'm just going to say I want to create a virtual card, and then I click on confirm, and I've done the phone verification. I need to do the personal verification and then the proof of address. The proof of address again is the statement of account or utility bill. So let's just do the personal profile first. This is where you put your name, so I'm going to include my name right here. So you select your nationality. We are Nigerian, so you look for Nigeria here. Select your occupation. Let me just say I'm a blogger or a content writer. Then you click on next. So this is where you select your address. So if you notice, these are basically the same steps we already did. I'm just doing this on mobile. So you select your address again. So this is where you select your proof of address. So I'm just going to select utility bill, and then I want to select the document. So you can select it as a PDF or from gallery. So I select from gallery. I want to go to my gallery. So I've selected the image, and then I can click on submit. So as you can see, we've done 3 out of 3 of our verification. So it has now verified. So there's still one other thing that we need to do, which is this one. So as you can see, profile address has been verified. The next one is your identity verification. So you click on this, and then you can select the identity that you have. So you can use your NIN number or an international passport. So I'm just going to use my NIN number. So you click on continue. So you provide your NIN number so that they can approve you. So I already have an account. I don't know if they can allow me create another account. So I'm just going to try, but if they don't, that means they don't allow one person to have multiple accounts. So once you've done that, you select your country, and this is where you put your name. So I've copied it, I'll paste it, and I click on continue. So after submitting your NIN, this is going to be the case. So it says your non-doc verification is under review, but you need to do a selfie. So you click on continue. So it's going to open your camera, and then you can do a face capturing. So my network is kind of slow, but you need a very fast network for this. So after your face ID or your face capture, you will see this that says your verification is now under review. We will notify you once it is complete. So this is how to do the KYC, or how to verify your account. Remember, you just need to update your profile information, update a utility bill. This can be a NEPA bill or a bank statement, then your NIN number, and then your KYC, which is your face verification. So after this, you go to home. So the KYC was approved, but the account was suspended, and this is because they do not allow you to own multiple accounts. I know this because I contacted the support, and let me show you what they said to me. So this is a message sent to me 7 minutes ago after I opened a complaint with the account. Then this is a reply. They said that your account was suspended as the system detected that I have created multiple accounts, which is correct. So if you have just your own account, you don't have any issues. Now I'm going to go to the other account, and then I'll show you how to use the Geegpay app. So once you have been approved,
you will come to an interface like this. So at the top here, you have the NGN wallet, but you can also have euros, and then you can have British pounds. So I'm going to show you how to create each of these wallets. But before then, let's talk about the interface. So the way Geegpay works is that you can use it to receive Naira. You can convert this Naira to any foreign currency that you want, and you can use it to fund a card, or you can send it to somebody, or you can send it back to Nigerian Naira. So far, they don't allow you to send it to a domiciliary account now, so they might change that in the future, but that is the way it is now. So also, you can receive payment using Geegpay and then convert it to Naira and withdraw it to your Nigerian currency. So to do that, you come here where you have convert, and as you can see, you have USD. You can convert your USD to Naira. So this is the amount they charge. So let's say if you are converting USD to Naira, it simply means that you are selling, you are buying USDT from them, and this is the amount they are going to sell to you, 1,675 Naira, as at when I'm making this video. So you can click on this and you can select any other thing that you want to convert. Let's say you want to convert Naira to dollar. You can come here and select US dollars or British pounds or anything. So here you can see how much they charge for 1 Naira to 1 USD. All right, so first, that's how you do your conversion on Geegpay. So you can equally send money. You can send money to Nigerian bank accounts. You can equally send to foreign bank accounts. All right, so this is where you find the more tabs, and you can earn funds. You can look at the exchange rate. You can see your account information. So if you want to do something that requires you to send a proof of account, like a utility bill, let's say in the United States or anywhere, you can use this as proof of account, and this is your account statement. So let's say you want to add funds to Naira. Remember, Geegpay provides you with different account numbers, so you can add funds. So if I click on add funds here, this is the Nigerian Naira. You can select the currency you want to pay with. In this case, we are going to select either the US dollar or the Nigerian Naira. So you see how much the exchange rate is, which is 1 Naira is 1 Naira. So you can click next, come here, select bank transfer, and then you can click on proceed, and it says invalid request, but let me go back and show you another way you can use to fund your account. Now, this is our NGN wallet, and if you come here where you have accounts, this is where you see all the accounts that you have. So far I have the Naira account and the USD account. So once you come to the Naira account, you see your account information. So they create a bank account for you after you've passed your KYC. And this is the account. It's Providus Bank. This is the account number. This is the account name. If I come to my USD here, you can see this is the account name. This is the bank name in USA, Wells Fargo Bank. This is the account number. This is the account type, and plenty things. So let's say I want to create a new account. I'm going to come here and I'm going to click on create. I can create the euro and then the Great British Pounds. So let's click on want to create euros. And then you see the rules information. So your money is held in a licensed bank. It's used for local bank transfer within European countries. Transfer usually takes 1 or 2 business days. Sometimes it's faster, but if you don't see your money in 2 days, then you can start to have fears. But this is the time range. So payment from unverified sources are not supported, so you cannot use this to do fraud. All right. So fees are applicable, and you can read the fees. The fees are usually 1% or 0. Something, but it's within 0.9 to 1%. So fees for deposits and withdrawals. So you come here, you click on next. So you want to select a source of income. All right. So you want to select how you earn your money. That makes you want to use Geegpay. So you can say salary and wages, or from family. So let's say you have a family in the UK that want to be sending you money. You can select that, but let's say salary and wages. And then you can say what's the primary use of this account. So you come here, you can see receiving payments from freelancers, freelancing platform. Let's say you're a freelancer family and friends, international clients, to receive payments from online marketplaces. So I'm just going to use Upwork here. So what happens is that if you use these ones, they are going to ask you for your Upwork account username or proof of earning and all of that. So I'm just going to say maybe international client. Let's see what it's going to say. So it says select your freelancing business or business category. So let's say we are doing, I'm just going to select writing and website creation. And then you can tell us about your job details. You can say, I create content on YouTube. Or you can write here on, let's say you are a freelancer, you can say you create, rewrite content on, or you offer gigs on freelance websites and all of that. So me, I'm just going to use YouTube in this case. And once you are done, you click on next. It says it's a minimum of 50 characters. So you want to write up to 50 characters. So let me just try that real quick. So hopefully this will be enough for them to allow us to proceed. So I just said, I run a YouTube channel on educational content and I receive payment through the YouTube partner program. So again, it's going to ask you your employer name. You can come here, select every other thing. So I'm going to look for YouTube. So this is YouTube right here. It's going to ask you for your profile. So I'm going to put my YouTube channel here. All right, so you put your YouTube channel or your Facebook profile or anything. Then you tell us about your connection to the provided URL. You say, I'm actively managing this. I have a formal relationship. I am the sole owner of this freelancing profile. So I'm just going to use this. So you come here, you write AdSense proof or proof of payment from YouTube. So what you want to do is you want to go to your earning dashboard and then you want to put it right here. So you screenshot your earning dashboard and you put it right here. Or you can, if you've received money from AdSense before, you can go to your AdSense, create a screenshot, put it right here. And then you want to write a required, like an estimated monthly income. Let's say you earn around $500 from YouTube or any other place, or 500 euros. So you come here, you click on create an account. So I don't really need this Euro account, but let me try and see if I can just complete it for the purpose of this video. So this is my YouTube profile. I've added it here and I want to upload a proof of payments. I just took a screenshot of my one of my AdSense accounts. So I'm just going to save it right here. And once we are done, you can say create account. And then I'm just going to click on submit. And they are going to go through this request and they are going to either approve this account or reject this account. If they reject it, you can message their support and give them more information and they will open this account for you. So we are just going to give it some time to, so as you can see, they say our request is under review. So your Euro bank account is almost ready. Please look out for email with the status update. So they are going to send you an email when they approve this account. So once you are done, as you can see, it's processing. It's going to take within 2 to 3 days. Sometimes it's faster. If it's not fast, you can message them, go to the home page and message support so that they will give you help. So this is how you create bank accounts. So again, if you need another one, you can come here, create for the Great British Pound, follow the same process and you'll be good to go. So this is how you create accounts and this is how you verify your Geegpay account. Now let's talk about how to create virtual cards. Then we'll now talk about how to convert USD or any other thing that this app is going to do for us. So for you, if you want to create virtual cards, you come here where you have cards right here. So they give you virtual cards that you can use for online transactions. So if you click on that, you click on get virtual card. So you can write the name you want to use on this virtual card. In my case, I'm just going to say Goodnuel. So this is basically a nickname. It's going to ask you to select the color. You can select the color you want. I think I prefer blue. So you click on continue. So for you to create this card, they will charge you $3 for the card creation. So the card is not free. The card will cost you $3. So you can select how much you want to fund. All right, so in this case, this is the minimum we can fund is $2, which means to create this card, we must have at least $5. So they take $3 for their card creation, and we have $2 as balance in the card. So I'm going to select $5. And here I'm going to select the wallet that I want to use to pay this payment. So the way this works is you can use Naira, you can use dollars, anyone. So if you use Naira, they are going to convert this. They are going to convert your Naira to dollars and create this account. So I do not have enough. I do not have up to $5 in Naira here. But if I had, I can just click on create card and the card will be created. But I doubt they are going to create this because the money is not sufficient. Or if you had enough money, they are just going to create this card, and then you can use the card for online transactions. So I personally do not have this card because I have another card that I use, and there's really no point having multiple cards because, as you can see, this card actually costs money. All right, so this is how you create a card. I don't know why it's taking this long. It should be faster than this, but as you can see, insufficient fund. Now let's say you wanted to add fund again. We already talked about that, but let's talk about it again. So if you want to add funds to your account, you can come here. You see where you have wallets. All right, you can come to accounts here, or you can see all your transactions here, but you can come to accounts, and from the accounts, anyone you select, in this case, let's say we want to select Naira. In this case, you select Naira. This is your account number. All you have to do is just send money to this account, and it's going to top up right here. And then you can come back to your card and you can click on create card, and the card will be created. It's the same thing if you wanted to swap from dollar to Naira. You can come here, click on swap, and then you can swap. Let's say you had $10 or $200 and you want to swap. You see how much you are going to receive in Nigerian Naira. And once you click on next, it will be swapped to the Naira. So let's talk about how to actually withdraw your money. All right, let's say you receive dollar and you want to withdraw it to Naira. So after swapping it, how do you send it to your Nigerian bank account so that you can withdraw it? So all you have to do is come here, click on send money, and then you can add a new bank. So you can transfer through bank account or through mobile money. So if you want to use mobile money, you can select the currency. In this case, it's going to be, they have different currency here. So, but we are not interested in that now. We can just come here, click on bank transfer, and then we can select the currency. It's going to be Nigerian Naira, and then you can select the bank and put all the bank information, and you can send it. So this is how to entirely use Geegpay, from creating the account to verifying it, to creating bank accounts, to creating virtual cards, and to every other thing you can use with use this account for. I hope this video has been helpful. If yes, please like the video, subscribe. My name is Goodnuel. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section. I try my best to answer all the questions, and having said that, I'll see you in my next video again. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.